Hello viewers, welcome to back our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be. May Allah Almighty keep you happy and keep you continue to enjoy my videos like this. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful amazing crochet cushion cover designs ideas. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first and also make sure to be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs show to you people in it. All the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to your channel in the first, and you can also buy the market about the designs. You can get about many ideas from my videos. So friends, this video is very helpful and useful. So guys, I am sharing similar designs with my dear friend daily. Inshallah, be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our videos. If you want to watch any videos, and if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else, and you can make a similar design for yourself. This type of design is very popular in the country and girls love such clothes. So friends, today video is amazing. Every video has a lovely design for you guys. Don't miss of the video my channel. So friends, today in this video I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in all kind of fashion related designs. Let's go. Inshallah, we will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. Stay with me. Take care. Will remember in prayer, and bye.